is where elementary carpool happens, in front of the Ginny Wright Art Center, or GWAC. If you are a parent of an elementary child and you do not have a primary or YCC sibling, in front of the GWAC is where you will drop off your children. Come down the driveway very, very, very slowly. Go around the inner circle so slowly. Pull in front of this building. Your child can give you a kiss goodbye, hop out, and go up to join their classroom. If you have an elementary child who does not have a NIDO, a YCC, or a primary sibling, this is where you're going to pick up your child at the end of the day. Your turn starts at 3:15. From 3:15 to 3:30 is elementary carpool. If you arrive early before 3:15, please wait at the giant tree over there. We're making you a new sign with your hazard lights on so that everyone else knows that they can go past you. Once you see the primary carpool is mostly done and it's 3:15, you can go very slowly around the circle and pull up in front of this building to collect your child. Once your child sees your car, they'll come down and you can go on your way. Remember to stop at the stop sign on your way out.